to blow up their conscious. If you really wanna juxtapose and take a type of color with a bunch of rose and then you put it in here, you can watch it go. Your mind is always open when your eyes are closed because you're blind to color and the blind to greed. Blind to all the things that you don't need. Then you find a mind and then you better see. Then you never sit and you will better read it. Oh, they're breaking it down. Don't give up, keep going up now. Turning it up, let's stop the sound. Oh, the sound of change. Hear it now, the chords are playing, the victory sound. I live in the now, the sky is my home and I live in the clouds. Now and never, down forever, making a change and making it better. I live for the shit, I love the pain. It's part of the journey, it's part of the game. I've been living in top of the rain. I see the end and I wasn't afraid. I feel the tears and I wasn't ashamed. I hear the sound of something I made. You're building it.